Whoa, hey, good job.
Hello, my name is Tara Nicola, and I'm in ninth grade, and I'm a student STEM ambassador and a SWE Next ambassador for the nonprofit organization Education Empowers. In this lesson, you will program the robot to complete Mission 1, the Innovation Project. I hope you have watched our previous lessons and downloaded the EV3 Classroom app to your computer. If you have so, please open the app. If you have not downloaded it, the link will be provided below this video. I also hope you have built your EV3 robot using the EV3 Robot Basic Educator Model or the REM bot. If you have not, you can also find that link below this video. Before we start coding, we will have to make the pseudocode. The pseudocode is the steps the robot needs to take in the simplest terms. For example, for mission 1, the robot will have to move X rotations forward and then turn left and move forward in order to put the innovation project into the Cargo Connect circle. Once the innovation project is in the Cargo Connect circle, the robot has to move backward and then turn left and move forward to go to the home base. Now that we have our pseudocode, we can start programming. So now I will share my screen in order to show you how to start programming. If you have downloaded the Classroom app, your screen should look somewhat like this. In order to start a new project, you click this plus sign down here. Now that you are here, you will find the blocks that you need on your left. They are sorted into the proper categories that they have to, and they are color coordinated. In order for the robot to move forward, we will use the move forward block under the movement category, which is pink. I will then drag this block over here and attach it to the program. Approximately, the robot will have to move 6 to 7 rotations forward. So I will change that number to 6. Then the robot will have to move left in order to position itself. I will use the block right under that block, this one. You can click this and use the dial in order to turn left or right. You can also type it in right here. For this, approximately, we will have to move negative 45 degrees, which is turning left, for one rotation. Then the robot will have to move forward for one rotation in order to place the innovation project inside of the Cargo Connect circle. Once this has been completed, we will just wait 1 second. This block is under the control section and it's orange. So we place this right here. After you have this completed, all we have to do left is move the robot back to the base. In order to do so, we will use the move forward block again, except we will change this section to backward. So we will be moving backward for one rotation. Then we will have to move left again in order to position ourselves toward the home base. We will use the same left block that we have used before and change this to 60, negative 60, for one rotation still. Lastly, we have to move forward for about 6 to 7 rotations. So I'll be changing this one to a 6. Last but not least, we have to end the program. So we will go under the control section again and use the stop and exit program block and attach it right here. Now that you have completed the program, you may run it, but these specific numbers are approximately right, and they might differ for your robot. In order to connect to your robot, you will have to click this connect button right here. Once you have clicked, your screen will look like this. You then follow the instructions shown right here and connect via Bluetooth or via cable. Once you have connected, this red dot on the connect symbol will turn green, which means your robot has been successfully connected. Then you will download the program to your robot and run it using the blue arrow. Thank you. Hello, this is Tara again, and this program is for Mission 3 Unload Cargo Plane. First, I will share my screen. If you have opened the EV3 Classroom app, your screen will look somewhat like this. We will create a new project by clicking the plus sign down here. In order to complete mission 3, the robot has to first move forward and position itself with the target. You can see the blocks on your left, color coordinated. You will go into the movement category, which is pink, and choose the first block, move forward. We will have to move forward for approximately 3 to 4 rotations. So I will change the 1 to a 3. Then the robot has to hit the lever down so the plane opens. You can first set the movement speed to something higher so this has more efficiency. I will do so by clicking this block and putting it to the program and changing this number to 80%. This way the robot moves faster. Then in order to bring the lever down, you will have to go into the motor section and use the first block and connect it to the program. Though this says A, it might differ for your robot. Make sure you check what port the medium motor is connected to and put in that letter. The motor will run counterclockwise since it's moving downward for approximately 0.25 rotations. Once you have done so, all you have to do left is move the robot back to home. To do so, we are going to use the move backward block, which is the move forward block, but change this section to backward for approximately 3 to 4 rotations again. Lastly, we have to go into the control section and end the program. You can do so by using the stop and exit program block. Now that you have your program done, make sure to save it. You do so by clicking File, which is on the upper left-hand corner right here, and clicking Save As. You can save this mission as Mission 3. Now that you have it saved, you can connect it to your robot. Do so by clicking the Connect button, and then following the steps shown here, turning on the brick, enabling the Bluetooth, and pairing your EV3 brick. Once you have it connected, this red dot on the symbol will turn green. After you have completed all of these steps, you will have to download this program to your robot by clicking this down arrow in your downward right-hand corner. After downloading it, just play using the blue play button, and it should run your program. Thank you.